Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTracker.com. Today we're going to give you a quick look at the all-new Cortech Tracker roller gear bag. Okay, the retail on the Tracker roller gear bag is $129. That is during the overwhelming majority of the year. This bag, the last couple of years, has also had some special promotional pricing around the holidays, which is the case again this year. Please check our website for details. That'll be live as of 12:01 a.m. the 22nd, which would be tomorrow. This bag is a real value. It uses 1650 denier ballistic poly exterior, so it's heavyweight stuff. It is a proper wheeled gear bag, right? You've got the supports on the back, you've got the poly wheels, you've got the extendable handle. We've got exterior handles here, removable shoulder strap, another handle up here, individual boot and helmet compartments. I have the helmet right now on the top compartment. Obviously, if you have the bag standing up, you don't want the helmet sitting on the bottom. So we have the helmet in there. Inside the bag, I've got a suit, I've got an airbag, I've got some gloves, and as you can clearly see, there's probably room for like a whole other suit, right? So you got a lot of additional space. The boots are in the bottom of the bag in this storage compartment. There's another handle and a stop for the bottom of the bag. Exterior pocket right here, kind of a long, slim pocket. If you're getting dressed, say motocross, you're out in the dirt and you want something to stand on while you're changing your footwear, they have a little panel that pulls out, right? You can lay that out. You could even do that if you're getting dressed at the racetrack. You don't want to stand on the pavement. You can fold this out. You got a little platform that's easily cleanable. You can stand on. Just helps you keep your feet nice and clean. Inside the bag, there are some additional storage pockets. This main zip is a little heavier gauge than the rest of the zips on the bag, which is appropriate. There's an independent pocket there. I put the gloves in there. There's a airbag here, suit on the bottom. There's another little storage pocket right here on the side that is a mesh panel. You can see where the helmet is here on the top. There's some eyelets to allow ventilation, especially with the helmet and the footwear. You do want to have a little bit of air circulating when you're transporting your stuff, especially post race or track day. There's the boots. There's the boots pocket. This is an excellent deal. It's going to be one of the best holiday deals that we have. So if it is that time of year and you're coming to the website, you can look for the Cortech Tracker wheeled gear bag on sale.